Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to be working on using functions in Excel. Now functions are very cool in Excel because they do the maths for you, do the formula for you, you just have to tell them what to use. How does it work? Well, I'll show you now. Now, say you've done these tests as a class and you've got these results, and the teacher has asked you, as someone who knows about spreadsheets, to actually do some calculations on them. So the first thing they want to know is, right, what's the total mark for the whole class? So you go, okay, well last week we learned we could do it by going equals 1 plus 4 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2. Are you getting bored? I am, definitely. We can beat that, it's much easier. Type equals. Now Excel has something built into it to add up numbers like these. It's called sum. So type in here sum, open brackets, highlight the numbers, and close the numbers. Close brackets rather. Press enter. There we are. 76 is sitting right there, ready and waiting for us. Next, average. How do you do an average in Excel? How do you do the average score in this test here? Well, again, you start by pushing equals. But notice, when I push equals, this box up here suddenly has words in it. So I'll delete the equals, it vanishes, just so a reference number. Equals, suddenly these appear. These things are, as the yellow box says, functions. Click on them. Oh, here's a lot of functions we could use. So, average. I want average. Then I highlight the numbers I want to work with. So it says the average of these cells here. The numbers appear there. Handy. Press OK. And suddenly 4.222222 too many twos there. Next, what's the slowest mark in the class? The smallest number? Well, we need to use something called min to work this out. So press equals, and then you can just type in min. Don't have to look it up if you don't want to. If you know what the function is, you can do it this way, it's a bit faster. So type min, open brackets, highlight the cells here, close brackets, push enter. 1 is the lowest number. Press equals, and then we can do it the other way, of course, back to here, max, highlight this number here, and then push OK. 9 is the highest number. Now, if you want to go to type it in yourself up here, that's fine. If you want to use the menu from the functions box, that's fine too. It's entirely up to you. There's no right or wrong way to do this. So, mode, type equals. I'm going to use the drop-down box this time, be a bit lazy. Oh, it's not here. If it doesn't appear here, there are thousands of these built into Excel. All you do now is go to bottom, more functions. See? More functions. Something appears there. Type in mode, press go, and oh, there we are. Mode's been selected. Press OK. The menu's there. So it says numbers. Highlight the numbers. What is our mode? Our most used value? 1. First number that appeared the most. That's a bit depressing. Now, finally, this last function, countif, is a cunning function. It's a useful function. It says count the cell, or say give this number plus 1 if the number is equal to something. So we want to count all the cells here which equal 1. Sounds complicated? Take about a minute to do. Press equals first, as always. Then up here, click on the arrow. Oh, there's countif. If not, just search for it in more functions. Countif. And then range. Where do I want to look? I want to look in these numbers here. And what am I looking for? I'm looking for all cells which equal 1. Press OK. Boom. We have 5 cells which are 1. 5 people got 1 mark in the test. That's pretty poor, isn't it? The teacher says, oh, I can't have that. I'll tell you what, let's see how many people got over 5. Got a bigger number. So you say, okay, sir, I can help you. I am the man you need. So here we are, countif 5, it's sitting right there. So here, type equals, countif, And you say, okay, people who got over 5. So put in the range. Then criteria. You think, okay, in maths, bigger than is this symbol here plus 5. Push OK, and Excel goes, it's done automatically. It's put the greater than 5 inside speech marks. If you don't put the speech marks there, Excel has a bit of a hissy fit at you. So it's probably best not to make a mistake to put your anything greater than or less than inside speech marks. Okay? Just trust me on this one. So that is what we had to learn today, how to do simple functions. Now, in pairs again, your teacher will show you what the pairs are going to be. You need to go to a VLE, and when it loads, it loaded. Go to Departments, ICT, Second Form, Spreadsheets, then scroll down and we go to Functions, which are down here, or down there for you guys. And the Functions page, this video will appear here. And then you have the same range of exercises as last week. Different exercises, of course, but the same pattern. And you need to go to the first one, Functions X. Download if it asks you, probably won't, but it might do. And then hopefully, once it's loaded, click on it, it should open. I'm waiting. It will open eventually, I promise you. If he's in a bad mood today, I have to go back and click again. Okay, I'll just get it from in. Oh, there it was, here we are. Right, you are given some calculations to do. So here, we want the minimum temperatures of France, Greece, Spain, Portugal and Morocco. But you do the calculations first down here. So you do France's minimum, max, median, average and mode temperature. You do Greece's temperatures like that. You do Spain's like that. You do Portugal like that. Morocco like that. And then you have the cells coming back in here. How do you do that? Well, it's very simple. Click on the cell, press equals, and then click on the cell down here, the answer's in. I'm going to pick a number here because those cells at the bottom are all empty. Press enter and 25, yes. And then at the end, when you've done all that, here you get a chance to use max, min, and how many of them are over 20 in this row here. Okay, so the biggest value, the lowest value, and how many of these are over 20. We should see, and do this for all of these. Okay, so you can do that now using the functions I just showed you. Hopefully in pairs, which your teacher will make sure you're in. Thank you very much. Good night and best of British luck.